Curls on fleek or whatever. Or whatever. Let me stop. I'm tired of these braids, y'all. I'm tired. You see the new growth. My hair is dirty. New growth is strong. It just needs to go. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I miss my hair. It's been 3 weeks. I did these myself. Yeah, you know, no love lost. I ain't drop a whole bag, you know, to get these done. You know, I miss my hair. So what we're gonna do is take these out. Comment down below how long it takes you to take out your braids. Yeah, I just need to wash my hair and decided to incorporate a takedown video along with a wash and a go. My hair has grown so much since my last wash and go video that I did. I'll leave that in the description box below. But take the first braid out. It's gonna be from the back here, I would say. So, you know, I got a little hang time. So I'm gonna cut it. This is how I know my hair stops right here. If you can see the little fuzzies peeking out. But yeah, you see the growth. The new growth is there. It's only been 3 weeks, but yeah, so I'm just cut it, okay? And as you can see, my hair is not in there. This is just mad long, y'all, mad long. But yeah, I'm not about to sit here and take all the braids out on camera for you guys. You see, sis got inch. As y'all can see, all the braids is gone. I'm going to wash it with the Flawless Curls shampoo by TRESemme. You guys can see that. The TRESemme 7 times moisture, luxurious moisture, vitamin E conditioner. Yeah. Follow up with 2 deep conditioners. I'm in the mix of 2. I got the Maui Moisture, Volcano Ash, Scalp Care Mask for dull, congested hair. So this is gonna get rid of all this stuff on my scalp. And for my hair, this is the On Jackie's Fix My Hair. You can't really see. So I'm gonna put both of these on my hair and let it sit for about 45 minutes and then rinse it out. So I'll be back. Giving Michael Jackson vibes, feel me? It took me about an hour to do that, to wash my hair. I didn't even put the deep condition, but this is how much shedding I got. My hair was in braid 3 weeks before I put my box braids in. I had straight back cornrows, so right after I took the straight backs out, I put in my box braids. So like, this is how much shedding. It is what it is, you know. It don't look like I'm bald headed or whatever, but you know, your hair sheds 100 strands a day. Fun fact, I ain't oil my scalp or whatever, so that could be possibly what happened. But yeah, I'm about to just put in the deep conditioner on camera for you guys. So let's start off with the Scalp Care Mask. It don't smell too bad. I thought it was gonna stink. But quart size amount. Oh, just twisted to get out the way. I'm gonna look like Felicia after this. Now that that's done, I'm gonna let it sit on my head.
Your timer is set for 45 minutes.
Cause you just love technology. I got the SheaMoisture Low Porosity Protein Free Leave-In Detangler. I'm gonna use the Camille Rose Naturals CURLAIDE Moisture Butter because my hair be extra dry. Feel me? And I need a little moisture curl stretch pudding by SheaMoisture. This is for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, aka myself. Leave-in, butter, cream, and that's on period. But you see how thick that is? About quarter size. Slap that on there. As you can see, you know, next cleans. Alrighty, y'all. So since I started on this side, y'all can see the product like working. Just like marinating my hair for a little while. You know, give it like a few and it's gonna do the same thing on this side. But yeah, so I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes and I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna diffuse my hair. As you can see, she about like maybe 15% dry. And you know, now we're going to diffuse because the product been settled in. Alright, so this is my hair dry, and as y'all can see, like, I got a lot of shrinkage, like, and basically just, like, take little sections of your hair, and just stretch your curls. But this is my hair, you guys. This is the finished product. It's a process on wash day, I'm not gonna lie. When I wear my wash and goes, like, I only get like 2 days out of it. I don't know why. And then I just put it in a pineapple and just wear it like that. And I need to stop doing that. So like, I'm gonna try a new method to like stretch my wash and go and like see what that does for me. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. And if you want to see more natural hair videos, like a twist out, a braid out, protective style, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below if you like this video. Like this video if you're a curly girl yourself. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and also turn your notifications on for my next video because it's quarantine time and I got plenty of time on my hands, so I will be making another video for you guys.